I'm James Bolt from the Gin Joint located in Charleston, South Carolina. Today we are making the Sailaway Seal with Goslings Black Seal Rum. It's going to start off with a 1.5 ounce pour of the Goslings Black Seal Rum. This comes from a 150-year-old family recipe. 3/4 of fresh lime juice, 3/4 of a house-made ginger lime oleo, 1/2 ounce of Angostura bitters. Top that with a lot of ice, giving it a good hard shake. We're finishing that off with a kaffir lime leaf. I'm James Bolt from the Gin Joint located in Charleston, South Carolina, and this is the Sailaway Seal with Goslings Black Seal Rum.